Alright, show y'all the love I'm getting out here real quick. Show y'all the love they're giving me. Got the little balcony. Just need me a little something to poke on that. View was great, man. It's a little raw. It's a new hotel, though. You know, it's a new hotel. The AC popping. I'll tell you that now. Tiles is dope. I'm gonna show y'all to the left in a minute. AC popping in the A room. It's the bedroom window. Wake up in the morning, go to bed at night. The breeze is coming through here is amazing. Look at this. Bam. Little pimp suite. You know what I mean? When I say spacious, I don't even understand the space that's in this room, man. This spot ain't even fully finished yet. You can fit so much furniture in here. Look at the bathroom. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Name the spot. Y'all see the guy, baby. Just shining. Mahogany Queen, baby. Golden Beach Hotel. Got the big jacuzzi tub. Got the little shower right there if you want to chill out, head rest. Shower, toilet. What's this? Got a little electric toilet. Got lights on it so you can see your shit. That's crazy. A little water heater for the shower, I guess. Yeah, a little water heater. Electric heater. Yeah. That's it. This right here, all right. This is definitely fly. Back through here. Yeah, we got a little work to do. But they threw me in here for free. The love. They gave me this room, man, for a couple nights. For free, and said, welcome home. You'll never feel the love from no place in the world until you visit your homeland. Look at the space in this room, man. Give me the love and said, welcome home, brother. Enjoy yourself. Had this for free. It's the Chief's brother. Chief's wife's brother, owns the building. Showing Pop love. I don't understand it, but I do want to learn it. I truly do.